Well, these are the ties that I picked up from the shop team. Nice big box there, nice and simple. I'm finding that lots of things are getting droopy and droopier. I need to start using my canes more. So I bought some of these guys, help clip things to canes nice and easily. And they look pretty good. Nice. So I've got a couple of canes here. I've got a thin one. I've got a thick one. Let's see how they both fit. So I've got a thick cane. There we go. So nice on there. I don't know how thick this cane is, probably a centimetre and a half, maybe. But yeah, that's a nice little clip. Gonna keep things nice and tidy on there. And of course, it's gonna fit your diddy one, no problem. Yeah, gonna be absolutely lovely. I've got some dahlias coming up, which are gonna need support because they've got big chubby heads. Probably my peonies as well. My hyacinths I've already lost. This is why I'm buying them for next year's hyacinths because I'm sick of the heads falling off. Like this, so I'm gonna sort this guy out now. And this, amazing. No droopy hyacinth, which is a problem I have every year. Oh, that's perfect. Absolutely perfect.